Hi guys, welcome to CLLST. Today we will be talking about CLAT 2020 and how to crack it. So by this time, you know CLAT is the way to go. Law is something that you want to do in your life. Law is your preferred career option. So whether you are in class 12th or you're a pass out student who wants to drop a year, sit for a year, prepare for CLAT and get into that top NLU college, this is the video that you should watch to prepare for CLAT 2020. Now, how to begin your CLAT preparations? First and foremost, you need to understand that CLAT is not like your regular examinations like NEET and IIT, that for that you need to devote all of your time to only one study materials. No, CLAT is simple. CLAT only requires your basic aptitude. So for that, you can manage your 12th preparations, your boards preparation as well as your CLAT preparation side by side. It's not like you need to compromise on your boards examination. Both these preparations can be done in a very well balanced way. But what you need to decide is the plan of action and your strategy. These are the two most important things while preparing for 12th boards as well as CLAT 2020. So let's proceed about how to prepare for CLAT. First and foremost, now that you have decided that this is what you want to do, in the beginning you're very focused, you have all the motivation in the world that this is the way to go, this is what I want to do. I agree, but what happens within a week or two, this motivation will wither down. See, motivation graph is something that goes on like this. It's not a straight line or not a steep curve as well. Your motivation will keep on dropping and taking up and dropping and taking up. But that is what you need to focus on. Even if when the motivation is going down, when you're feeling like, no, I want to watch Netflix for a bit or, just hang out with my friends, fine. Maintain a well-balanced situation. But at the same time, do not lose focus on your plan. Do not lose focus. Focus is important. And most importantly, start planning. And plan and plan and plan. Plan your each and every daily move. Plan how much you're going to study for a day. Plan how much you're going to devote your time weekends. And for those students who are in 12th standard, you need to divide your study time. You need to devote a certain amount of hours to CLAT preparation and a certain amount of time to your boards preparation as well. So you need a well-balanced plan for that. And for that, you can either go topic-wise or you can go depending on the time you want to dedicate. For some students, they are like, okay, today I'll cover this topic, tomorrow I'll cover this topic. But for other students, they are like, one day I'll do English for 1 hour, the other day I'll do maths for 1 hour, the other day I'll do legal principle for 1 hour. That's fine. Whatever suits you, but have a plan of action and have a written plan of action. Stick to it. Do not lose focus. Stick to your plan. Stop procrastinating and start executing your plans as well. Because many students, they'll keep on planning, but when it comes to execution, they'll be like, oh, I'll start tomorrow or maybe this weekend or maybe Monday. Monday is the way to go. No. Do not procrastinate. Start today, start now. Write your plan and at that very moment you need to start preparing. So if you look at overall thing, your patience, your planning and your focus. These are the three important things that will get you not only through CLAT examinations but also through your plus 2 examination. So focus on these three pillars and you will be set. Another way to focus on your CLAT preparation is do not miss out on your mock test schedules. If you're starting today, this is the month of July, you're starting your preparations today, fine. By the end of August, you should have prepared for at least 2 mock tests. And those mock tests are not something that you just went on, written an exam, looked at your result, felt good about it if it's good, felt bad about it if it's bad. No, do not do that. Once you write a mock examination, get the answer key, analyze yourself, evaluate yourself and find out what are your weak links. Because if you do not find out what your weak links are, you don't know what to focus on. You don't know what are your weak areas. You don't know where you're going to falter. For some students, maths is still a big deal. Maths is something that you want to run away from. And for some students, maths is like this easy task that you can achieve anytime. But you never know, when you write a mock for students who consider maths to be this easy thing, might be the most difficult thing. Those 20 marks could be the most difficult thing that you might face in a paper. So you need to evaluate yourself. What are my weak areas? So in all, what you need to decide, what you need to do: plan, focus, patience, and mock test. Focus on these 4 and you will be successful in CLAT 2020. So good luck for your CLAT 2020. Keep preparing, and if you need a more enhanced study plan, keep watching. We'll be coming up with more videos in the coming future for your enhanced study plans. Thank you.
Career Launcher. Make your parents explode with joy.